She just wants another bottle.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys real quick how I get my hair into this high puff. I'm going to show you everything, how I slick down my edges and all. I actually already have a high puff tutorial. I'm going to link that in the description bar below. Made it a while back, so yeah. I also did record this makeup tutorial. Not really sure if I wanted to post it, but if you guys do want to post it, then help this video to get to 100 thumbs up and I will post the video for you guys. Alright, you can also click the screen right now to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. The direct links will be in my description box. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into this video.
Like baby, I miss you as fuck, but she cuddled up on my chest, big nerd. Weird, fuck alcohol can really make you no respect no one.
So as you guys can see, I'm starting this style off on hair that is already curled, and I have a video linking to that already. I'll leave the link right there. You can click that video right now to see how I curl my natural hair. This is my wash and go tutorial. Alright, so you can click that link to see how I get these curls. This is probably day 3 hair I think. So it is pretty, you know, the curls have held up nice, but we really want to work on the edges. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my edges, and I'm going to be using some water from a spray bottle just to mist my edges down. Yes, I know this is my e.l.f. mist and set setting spray bottle, blah blah blah, but inside is water, and that's just going to make our edges a lot softer and able to hold product a whole lot better. To add shine, moisture, and to reduce frizz, I'm using some of this shine serum from Silkskin. I got this in my local beauty supply store for like $1.50, so which means it'll be like $1 US. I'm using a generous amount of this because remember, we're going to be fluffing the hair. We don't want it to get frizzy. Also guys, don't forget, all necessary links to products and all videos will be in the description bar below. Don't forget to click the show more section to see all of that information. To begin slicking my edges, I'm using my olive oil eco styler, the crystal one. It's the professional styling gel, my all-time favorite gel, the eco styler. I'm just applying this all around my edges, and I'm being very generous with that. You don't even have to use a lot because the hair is already damp, which means the product will hold just fine on its own once your edges are damp. While I'm smoothing this in, I'm also pulling the hair up to the top. This is going to help me to form my puff a whole lot better, as I'm already forming the hair into how I want it to look. To get to my puff really nice and high, I like to use a string or a shoelace. I always choose black because it's the most discreet color, and it really gives you easy manipulation of where you want the hair to be positioned. So I'm pulling it as tight as I want and as high as I want, and once I get to the back and I wrap it back around, you want to ensure that you tie it and tuck it under so that it doesn't show at all. You can also fluff your hair over the string to make it even more discreet.
Only what's in our sight, and me are the only man in our sight. That mean me are the only man in our life, and she the only girl in his life, because I've been phoning her the whole time. But she's drunk and she's on it, and it's been a while and she's on it, and she's mindful, but
to make my edges even more slick, I'm going to take my Argon oil, Cream of Nature, Perfect Edges Edge Control, and I'm going to use my hair toothbrush to slick down my edges. Now this toothbrush makes it a lot easier, so it really doesn't look the same if you do it with a regular brush. And I'm also just doing this in a swooping kind of motion, just to give it a little bit of jazz at the edges so it looks a little bit neater. I absolutely love this product because it actually has argan oil in it, which is actually very good for your hair. You guys know I also have to lay the nappies that are at the back of my head, so I'm also putting some edge control around there as well. So this is the final look, a really quick, simple, natural hairstyle. So this is definitely one of the styles that you can just do when you're on the go, very quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.
Stress this up as soon as she swallows. Perfect timing for summer, yeah. Our glass now stay empty. Pretty young flick, she sexy. Take a stay shots like selfies. Want to catch her off guard and then leave.